Hello, hello, welcome once again. Preben, my gardener and I, we have made a new display here outside the gate, and I will talk a little bit about the new plants. We have added some new tulips and also some new daffodils and a beautiful viola cornuta. Maybe you remember that we 2 weeks ago have arranged this place here with creamy colors, with soft colors, with white. But now it was time to have a little change. It means that we were taking some of the plants out because we need them in other places, also because some of them was almost finished, some of the early daffodils. And yes, we took them away, and then we have replaced with orange, with salmon colors, and you can see it's fairly new, and I hope or think that you like it with the orange and the soft yellow here. I think it's quite charming. I would like to make a presentation of some of the spring flowers here. This little beauty is Salmon Prince. You can see it's just started, and then we have this orange. I think it's such a great variety. The name is Orca. And then we have a new daffodil for me, and therefore I just need to see the plant label here. This is Trumpet British Gamble. See this trout here with an apricot hint. I think it's yes, it's really a beauty. And then I would like to mention the viola cornuta. This is terracotta, also a great and very charming color. I think that you can see it's a wonderful day here in Denmark. The sun is shining. A little bit stormy, but quite mild. But we have had a fairly cold spring. But I think that it's okay, because then you will have all the spring flowers for a longer time when they are cooled down in the night. I would also like to show you this daffodil. This is Replete. See also with the apricot hint here. I think that you now can see the reason why I'm planting just one variety in each pot. It means that I can just change them, take some of the plants out and replace with others. And I'm doing that during the season. And I can tell you that backstage we have many tulips, especially tulips, waiting. And in about a week's time we will replace some of the plants here, maybe some of the daffodils. They will start to finish, and then we have even more orange and apricot tulips. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you a happy spring.